Okay, so this one is identify each. Whoa, 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 whoa. Each, sorry, identify each true statement. That means you can assume that there's probably more than one. Okay, so we're going to have to do all of these. So the first thing I'm going to do is read it. The percent of increase in the amount of money between the months of March and May. Amount of money what? Okay, that's going to say electricity, but it doesn't say electricity on this one, but it will on yours. So I'm going to go ahead and highlight that. March, which is here, and May, which is here. Now, our formula was original minus new over original, or we just need to know where the original is. So I'm going to take my original minus my new, so 160 minus 200, and divide it by my original. Remember that these are in parentheses and they are the absolute value. So even if it comes out negative, it's going to be positive, okay? So I know that 160 minus 200 is negative 40, absolute value, and I'll have to divide it by 160. Okay, so then I'll bring it down again, 40 divided by 160. Use my calculator because we know if we have them, use them. Clear, clear, clear. 40 divided by 160 equals 0.25. So let's see if that's a true statement. It's 0.25, 25%. And is it increase? Yes. So bam, that one's done. All right, now let's erase everything. We've got to check the next one. So the percent of decrease in the amount of money spent on gas between the months of May and July was 20%. So I'm going to do my 143.50, subtract the 115 all over the 143, or divided by 143.50. All right, let's see. I don't know the answer to that, so we're going to use our calculator. 143.50 minus 115 equals 28.50. I'm bringing it over so that I don't forget. 28.50. I'm bringing over the 143.50. So I need to now divide 28.50 by 143.50. So I have 28.50 divided by 143.5 equals 19.8. The percent of decrease in the amount of money spent on gas was 20%. Well, the other ones are saying approximately. That says was. It's not exactly. So I'm not going to check that one. 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 The second one, not going to check. All right, so let's move on because it's not exactly 20%, which is what it implies. So I want to make sure you all recognize that. All right, let's read the next one. There was approximately, so around 24% in the money spent on water. So water is here between the months of March and May. So I need to do the same thing I've been doing. $45 minus 55.25 parentheses. Absolute value, because it's got to be positive, divided by the original, which is 45, because it happened first. Let's see if I can get my calculator to do that. 45 minus 55.25 equals So it's 1025. I need to make a positive, though, in order to divide it. So I'm just going to clear. 1025, because I remembered it, right? I actually remembered it that long. So that was 1025 divided by 45. 22.7. 23. Approximately. Yeah, it's approximately 24%. We're going to go with that one. So I like that one. It's good. It says approximately, and that is approximately. Okay, we're on our last one for this. And we got to read the problem again. Approximately 11 increase between electricity between the months of January and March. So I'm going to write down 145.50 minus 160, parentheses, absolute value, divided by the 145.50. All right, let's go to my calculator. Clear, because we already know. Clear again. 145.50 minus 160 equals negative 14.5, which turns into 14.5. And I need to bring down this divided by so I don't forget about it. Divided by 145.50. Okay. Now I know the mistakes were made was the kids, when they were meeting in my group with me, they were just going, they would put this number in here and divide it. No. You need to put the little number divided by the big number. So clear. 14.50 divided by 145.50 equals, oh my goodness, I can't use a calculator either. 14.5 divided by 145.50 equals. That's about 10%, right? Because I have to move my decimal. It says about 11%, so I like it. I like the first, the third, or the first, the second, and the third answers. They're about right. So hopefully you got it right.